With the bolts loosened, we can now gently remove the caliper assembly and set it aside on the workbench. Okay, now we gently slide the axle out. Feel that resistance, and down she goes onto the mat. With the bolts out, we can lift the cover. Look at that sludge. This clutch basket is definitely showing its age. Look at that grease just melting away. The secret is in the soft bristle brush getting deep into those fins.
Slow, controlled movements, just letting the microfiber lift away the oily residue, revealing the original chrome underneath.
Spray the brake cleaner generously, then use a microfiber cloth to wipe away the dissolved brake dust and contamination.
As we pull the spring free, note the oil residue. We'll lay this out with the dampening rods and spacers.
The hydraulic press applies gentle pressure, guiding the new bearing precisely into the Fat Boy wheel hub. Ensure the seal is perfectly seated before applying lubricant to the polished piston for smooth installation.
This is the original carburetor from a 1990 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. As you can see, decades of varnish are being removed by the cavitation bubbles.
We use the finest wire tool to clear the passage. Next, we torque the screws down in a star pattern to ensure an even seal on the diaphragm cover.
Now we carefully slide the barrel away, revealing the oil-stained walls and the worn rings. We'll examine the top compression ring closely.
All right, gently expand the ring just enough to clear the lands, and listen for that snap as it seats perfectly in the groove.
The key is the sequence. We bring it up to 45 foot-pounds, listening for the click to confirm the torque is set. We drop the main shaft in, secure it with a snap ring, listen for that click. Now the counter shaft, ensuring
we apply multiple layers of our premium high-gloss clear coat, ensuring a flawless finish every time.
That's perfectly flush. Hold it right there. Torquing to spec. 3 clicks. We're using the OEM clips here. Just line it up, give it a firm press, and listen for the snap. Perfect fit.
Now that the bars are centered, we'll carefully tighten the clamps. Next, we check the throttle-free play, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch.
We use the torque wrench here to ensure everything is perfectly to spec. You don't want to rush this part of the restoration.
Just look at that shine. This wax provides the deepest, wettest look.
All right, she's all set, ready for the road.
This isn't just a machine, it's a masterpiece reborn. The 1990 Fat Boy.